Welcome to this video. Today we will talk about internal links, what they are, why they matter in SEO, and how you can use them to improve website navigation and rankings. An internal link is a hyperlink that connects one page of a website to another page on the same website. Unlike external links, they keep user within your site. For example, if your blog post about SEO links to another post on keyword research, that is an internal link. Internal links guides users to relevant content, distribute link equity, and help search engine understand the structure of your website. Internal links pass link juice between pages, improves ranking. They also ensure that important pages like cornerstone content get more visibility in search results. For users, internal link reduce bounce rates by keeping visitors engaged longer. They also guide readers to related content for better learning. The text you use in internal links, called anchor text, should be descriptive. Instead of click here, use relevant keywords like SEO guide. Best practices are like link to relevant pages naturally. Prioritize important pages. Avoid overloading with too many links. Keep anchor text meaningful. Don't link just for SEO. Avoid using irrelevant anchor text, broken links, or linking too many pages at once. Quality always beats quantity. An internal link connects one page of your site to another. It improves navigation, boosts SEO, and enhance user experience when used correctly. Thanks for watching. Start optimizing your internal links today to improve both user experience and search rankings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO insights.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.